How to make a gimbal at home. Let's go. Look how I will make gimbal. Please look at me. First of all, you have to take two bearings and Coca-Cola caps. After that, you have to take blade and glue gun. Then you have to fix it like I'm doing. It's a heavy and it's waterproof. It does not broken. It is heavy than real stabilizer real gimbal. So look, this is fixed almost, and I fixed. After that, you have to take another cap and you have to fix look like this, and you have to do this. After that, you have to join this, and you have to take this wood then you have to fix look like this and look like this. Look, and you have to take one paper and one stick and into under the bottle. After that, you have to refill with glue gun. It's awesome. Wow. Then you have to take this one. You have to make like J-tar. Then you have to fix. Then finally we fixed. Yeah, look. Look, this is really good and standard gimbal. If you want to make this, you have to purchase some kind of tools. You have to purchase glue gun. You have to purchase bearing, and you have to drink Coca-Cola. After that, you can use this kind of cap.